This is the summary of possessive forms that we use in Serbian with personal names. So if we have muškarac, so it's a male name that ends in a consonant, the ending is ov. For example, on se zove Nenad. So Nenad ends in the consonant d. On ima ženu. Imati plus accusative form. So that is one of the ways to express that someone possesses something or someone. So using the verb imati, to have, plus the accusative case. Another way is using the personal pronoun njegova. So njegova žena. Or if we, instead of the personal pronoun, use his name, Nenadova žena. So 3 ways how to say, how to express possession. Grammatical possessive form, imati plus accusative, using personal pronoun, and using a possessive pronoun, or using the possessive form of someone's name. Another example is if a man's name ends in o, still the possessive ending is ov. For example, on se zove Stanko, on ima ženu, so imati plus accusative, njegova žena or Stankova žena. Another situation is if a man has a name that ends in a, like Nikola, for example. In that case, the grammar doesn't recognize that as a man, but rather grammatically it's the female form, so the ending is in. For example, on se zove Nebojša, on ima ženu, again the same situation, imati plus accusative case, njegova žena or Nebojšina žena. The same situation is with female names. They usually end in a in Serbian, so the possessive ending is in. Ona se zove Ana, ona ima muža. Now this time it's imati plus accusative again, but muža gets that specific accusative form for masculine singular nouns that represent man or male animals. And then the possessive pronoun njen muž, or using her name Anin muž. Now, if a woman has a name that ends in a consonant, it's usually a foreign name, still we use the in ending, just as if the name would end in a. For example, ona se zove Liz, ona ima muža, njen muž, or Lizin muž.